You've created your project boards, added your team, and customized your workflow. Now what? You want users, especially clients and contributors, to interact with your tasks without giving backend access. No worries, because FluentBoards Frontend Portal is here. Welcome to WPManageNinja. This is Ishika, and in today's video, I will show you how FluentBoards looks and works at the front end, the portal your users will see. Let's talk about the backend access situation in detail for a second. So, you know what's honestly a hassle? Managing stuff through the WordPress backend, especially when you've got clients or a big team involved. That's just too much going on. Too many menus, settings, things that they don't need to see. And let's be real, things can get messy if someone clicks the wrong button. That's where FluentBoards Frontend Portal comes in clutch. With it, you can give people access to project boards right from the front end. So what you're doing is you're basically keeping your entire backend locked down while still giving users a fully functional project experience on the front end. So you don't have any security issues regarding your backend operations. And on top of that, it just makes things much cleaner because your clients get to see what they need and your team gets straight to work. And you don't have to babysit anyone through the dashboard. Seriously, it's such a time saver. So let's just jump straight right into setting it up. As you can see, I already have FluentBoards installed in my WordPress site, so let's just jump directly into the dashboard. Okay, so as I already made a board earlier, let's not waste time building another one. So you can see that my board is ready and I added the tasks and stages, and I think my board looks pretty decent. Okay, so now let's start with adding members in my board. If they're already users on your WordPress site, that's great, but you can just add them like this by searching their name. So if not, you can invite them by email. Isn't it so easy? It doesn't matter if they're across the office or across the world, they'll get an onboarding link in seconds, and they're in. Okay, so now that they're added, you can head over to member roles and control who can view, edit, or manage the boards. This is very convenient when you need to upgrade someone's access or just change it. Not only from here though, you can easily do it from the settings too. Let me show you. So go to settings, and as you can see, the members are already here. You can easily change the access from here. See? And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts. You get full role-based access control without needing any extra plugins. It's all built in and just works like a charm. All right, now let's get the front-end portal up and running. Okay, as we're already in settings, go to Features and Modules from the left sidebar, and you'll see the option to enable the front-end portal. Before we go to the internal settings, I'd like to mention one thing. If the front-end portal option is not enabled from before, you will not see it on the navigation bar. So let's get back to the settings. Once this is enabled, go to the internal settings, and you've got two ways to show it. First of all, you can either use the show in standalone front-end URL, or you can also paste the shortcode on a dedicated page. Let's check out both the options. Okay, so first, the dedicated URL. It looks clean and simple. Just type in a slug, save it, and you're good to go. What it does is, if you send the URL to the users or members of the board, they'll be able to access the board just by clicking the URL. So what they'll need to do is they'll basically need to log in and then land on the project board. So let's give it a try. I'll copy this link and go to another tab and log in via user email. And voila! Users can now access the board without seeing any backend operations. See? This was so easy. So let's check out the access. As I set the access for this user as view only, what they can do is they can just view. So if I go back and change the role to editor, now let's go ahead and refresh this page. So now they can edit the task and stages as per need. See? This is such a handy feature. Okay, so this was all about the standalone frontend URL. Now let's check out the second option of pasting the shortcode in a predefined page. So if you want to keep things inside a custom layout or maybe another page, as you can see, you can just grab the shortcode and drop it in the specific page you want. I already have a page set up. Let me just go ahead and paste the shortcode. Okay, now let's preview the page. So you can see that it comes through the page we set the shortcode in. That's pretty much it. No complicated setup. This comes in clutch when you have a huge user base or a huge group of members. They can easily log in throughout the page and you won't need to send the members any URL links personally. So these were the two options of setting up the frontend portal. All right, now let's take a deeper look at how the frontend portal actually works in the frontend. So from the dashboard, as you can see on the navigation bar, just click on the frontend portal button on that little arrow or just right next to it. And you're instantly taken to the front-end version. Notice what just happened? The entire WordPress sidebar is gone. No dashboard, no admin bar, none of that backend stuff cluttering the view. It's just the FluentBoards interface, clean, focused, and distraction-free. Simple as that. Let's have a quick glance on what we see when we get in the front-end portal. So as you can see, I can view all the boards and my tasks as per my board. I can access and tweak things according to my need. But now, let's log in through a dummy user email for test purpose. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, the user don't get to see everything that I could see earlier through my view. And this happens because of the access that they have. And that's the real power of FluentBoards. It's not just about managing tasks or ticking boxes. It's about creating a space where collaboration actually works, where your team stays focused, your clients stay in the loop, and nobody has to deal with the mess of backend confusion. From inviting members, setting roles, to sharing a clean front-end portal, everything is built to make project management smoother and more human. So honestly, why wait? Whether you're running an agency, managing client work, or just need a better way to keep your team aligned, FluentBoards makes it way easier. Jump in today and take your project collaboration to the next level.